Rainforest by John Lockyer. Rainforest. Rainforests are very, very old. They have been on Earth for millions of years. A rainforest is full of trees, plants, flowers, and animals. It rains there on most days. Jungle. Rainforests in hot countries are warm and wet all year. Sometimes they are called jungles. More kinds of animals and plants live in the rainforests than anywhere else in the world. Trees in a rainforest can be as high as a tall building. The tops of the tall trees make a canopy like a roof. The canopy makes the floor of the forest very dark. Snails and spiders and insects live there in all kinds of plants. Many kinds of birds live in the canopy of the rainforest. They build nests in the branches. Their food is insects and seeds. The picture of the bird is a scarlet macaw. Monkeys swing from branches and vines high in the canopy. They like to eat fruit and nuts. This picture is of a red howler monkey. Little tree frogs hop along the branches, and bright butterflies live there too. Bats fly quietly at night. This is a picture of a red-eyed tree frog. Snakes are hard to see as they slide along the rainforest trees. This is a picture of a green python. Tiger. The biggest hunters on the forest floor are hungry tigers and jaguars. Jaguars can climb trees and they like to hunt at night. Some people live in the rainforest. Their homes are huts and they use canoes to travel on the rivers. They catch fish and hunt animals. Rainforest children do not go to school, but they have to learn all about life in the rainforest. Rainforests are full of life. The world needs its rainforests. And this is a picture of a chameleon. Extra words in the glossary are canoe, canopy, earth, jaguar, million, rainforest, tiger, and vine.